Amazing is such an overused word these days, but that's what comes to mind when describing the estate at 1142 Irby Road, Fort Valley. As you drive down the winding driveway, you will pass some of the 40-plus pecan trees as well as fig and other fruit trees and blueberry bushes that produce a plentiful harvest, all of which are irrigated by the multiple wells on the land. Passing the corral and multiple pastures, you will feel the peacefulness that only farm life can deliver. This beautiful, custom-built 4,309 square foot brick home features gorgeous landscaping with many species of flowering trees and plants, with strategically placed low-voltage lighting that really showcases the home's beauty after dark. A screened patio separates the oversized 3-car garage from the house and allows for entrance to the main house or the attached apartment suite that has its own kitchen, HVAC, and utilities. Your new home has more than you could wish for, including an open floor plan with gourmet kitchen, a master suite with spa-worthy shower and jetted tub, hardwood floors, tankless water heaters, and so much more. The multi-tiered deck just off the master suite and sunroom features an outdoor kitchen and hot tub that overlooks the over an acre pond that is stocked with bass, brim, and other fish just waiting for you to catch from the lighted dock. With over 54 acres, the mostly fenced grounds offer more than enough room for horses to run, livestock to graze, and woods to hunt. ATV trails are plentiful throughout the wooded areas all the way down to the creek near the rear of the property. Among the multiple buildings is a 30-foot by 60-foot wired shop, flanked by a 20 by 60 hay barn and shelters for tractors or other equipment, a gazebo, and a chicken coop. Nestled between Fort Valley and Perry, Georgia, this property is only minutes away from I-75 via Highway 96. Call Robert Johnson with Barbee Dream Homes Real Estate Group at 478-397-0387 for your private tour today.